Hello everyone, this is Coco from SinoColor. Have you ever wanted to add golden elements to your finished posters or flyers to make them pop? Today, let's take a look at how to achieve it using the SinoColor FB 1612 series, which is equipped with high-precision machine vision system. Here's a very ordinary image. Wouldn't it be nice if these edges had a golden outline? Let's get started. So what do you think? And of course, you can also simply print regular varnish to give custom areas a glossy effect. Well, that's all for today. For more information, please feel free to leave us a message. And welcome to subscribe to our YouTube channel. SinoColor will always provide you with best printer, best service, and best solution. Have a nice day. Bye!